Welcome back to Software Hub. If you want to use the same app twice on one phone or create a separate space to hide and freeze apps, then this video is for you. I'll show you the complete step-by-step process. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Now let's get started. To make a separate space on your phone and use the same app twice, simply open Google and search for F-Droid. Open the official website. From here, click the Download F-Droid button. It will start downloading the APK file. F-Droid is a free and open-source app store for Android devices. It works similarly to the Google Play Store, but it mainly focuses on free and open-source applications. This is why we are using it, because the app we need is available there and can be installed safely. After the download finishes, install the APK file. If Android asks for permission to install apps from unknown sources, simply allow it and continue the installation. When it is installed, close all apps from recent apps and open the F-Droid app. The first time you open it, it will start updating repositories. If you open the notification panel, you'll see that it is downloading updates. Simply wait for it to finish. These repositories contain the list of available applications. Updating them ensures that we get the latest versions of apps and proper installation support. When the update process is finished, all the repositories will appear inside the F-Droid app. From here, click the search icon and search for Shelter. Install this app. If it asks for permissions related to F-Droid, simply allow them. After the installation is complete, open the app. Then click Next, Next, and Next. After that, click Accept. Now it will start creating a work profile. This process may take a few moments, so be patient. The work profile is like creating a second Android environment inside your phone. It keeps apps and their data separated from your personal profile. This is very useful if you want to use multiple accounts or keep certain apps isolated. After that, you'll see this interface. At the bottom, you'll notice two sections named Main and Shelter. The main section represents your normal phone profile, while Shelter represents the work profile. You can see that in the Shelter profile, only system apps are installed by default. Now go to the main profile. Select any app you want to duplicate. Then click Clone to Shelter. It will start installing that app inside the work profile. If it asks for permissions, give the required permissions in both the main profile and the work profile. Now you can see that Instagram has been installed in my work profile. This means both copies of Instagram are completely independent. You can log in with different accounts, and the data from one profile will not interfere with the other. Now go back to the home screen and open the app drawer. You will notice two sections at the bottom called Personal and Work Profile. In the Personal section, you'll find your normal apps and data. In the Work Profile section, you'll find the cloned apps and separate information. You can see that when I open Instagram in the work profile, it behaves exactly like a newly installed application. It asks for login details and starts with a fresh setup because it stores its own separate data. If you open the Shelter app again and switch to the work profile section, select any app and click Freeze. When an app is frozen, it becomes temporarily disabled and disappears from the work profile. This feature is useful if you want to hide an app or prevent it from running in the background without uninstalling it. Now, if you go back to the Shelter app and click Unfreeze, the app will reappear exactly as it was before. All of its data and settings remain intact. You can see that the app returns to the work profile with everything preserved, which makes this feature very convenient. Now, if I open the file manager inside the work profile, you can see that it shows almost nothing. That's because this work profile acts like a fresh Android environment inside your existing phone. This separation improves privacy and organization because apps inside the work profile are isolated from your main profile. This method is very useful if you want to use one app with two accounts on the same phone, test apps separately, or temporarily hide applications by freezing them. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell icon for more latest updates. Thanks for watching.